Hello everyone, today I will show you how to print 4 pages per sheet using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on this file option and select your print option and select here your printer. You can change and select all pages or specific page range and select a size option and you can select actual size or feet. Now click on this multiple option and custom option. Here you will find these 4 pages per sheet and showing here. You can send this page order horizontal, you can make it vertical and so on. Also you can add page print border, say this, and finally select print, stop, and see this. Our PDF file is 4 pages now printed. See this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.